Virgin Galactic SPCE is going to space, and I love Virgin Galactic, so does Blackrock. Yes, the $10 trillion investment and money manager, asset manager, Blackrock, has also been buying Virgin Galactic SPCE. And they have been accumulating a lot, okay? So the stock of Virgin Galactic SPCE will go to space eventually as well. And I'm going to show you proof in today's video that big whales are also accumulating SPCE, okay? So this is extremely important, and it's only a matter of time until Richard Branson and all of us celebrate, okay? The day is coming very soon where Virgin Galactic will break its all-time highs. Look at this, and this video is extremely important. So this chart right here shows you how many shares of SPCE, Virgin Galactic stock, that Blackrock is holding. As you can tell, Blackrock Inc., okay? And the green dots right here, the green bars, are how many shares Blackrock now owns. So about 3 years ago, in January 2020, Blackrock only had these many shares, okay? And now they have been accumulating and buying and buying and buying more. So yes, the stock of SPCE has been going to the ground, it's coming back down to earth, but big whales, millionaires, billionaires, trillionaires even, have been accumulating SPCE. So I'm making this video to keep you bullish because a lot of people are giving up on the stock of SPCE, and me personally, I have been accumulating heavily at these low prices, okay? So years ago, I was buying Virgin Galactic when it was at $30, at $40, even at $20, but now that it's at $2.50, less than $2.50, I am buying even more. So please do not give up because the future of Virgin Galactic is still extremely bright. And make sure you subscribe real quick before I show you the proof in today's video, because this is extremely important, okay? And not many people are covering Virgin Galactic. So subscribe, show your love. I love you all, and let's keep going. So this right here is Yahoo Finance, okay? And it shows you, as you can tell, Virgin Galactic Holdings. Now, Virgin Galactic Holdings is basically SPCE stock. And today, we are trading at around $2.30 as I'm recording this video. Now, when we scroll down here, you'll see that the top institutional holders today are Vanguard, Blackrock, and State Street, okay? Most people know Vanguard and Blackrock. State Street is also very huge, and also Morgan Stanley owns SPCE. But what's really interesting is that today, as you can tell, Vanguard has about 23 million shares, okay? Blackrock has about 21.5 million shares. But when we take a look at the history of Virgin Galactic, you'll see that it was not always like this. So this right here was a price of Virgin Galactic back in 2020, March 2020. As you can tell, March 30th, 2020. And back then, Blackrock only had 1.3 million shares. That's it, 1.3 million. Okay, remember, today, Blackrock has about 21 million shares, 21.5 million. So in 2020, in March of 2020, Blackrock only had 1.3 million. Also, Vanguard had about 5.5 million. But again, today, Vanguard has 23 million shares. So that was in 2020. What happened in 2021? So in 2021, Virgin Galactic was trading at around $36, right? This was the price of Virgin Galactic, as you can tell, $36.50. But when we scroll down here, you will see the Vanguard group had about 11 million shares. Remember, today, Vanguard has 23 million. So they had 11 million shares, and BlackRock increased their position to 5.5 million shares. So BlackRock and Vanguard bought more SPCE stock. Next, when we go to June of 2022, so this was the middle of 2022, so basically last year, Last year, Virgin Galactic was trading at $6.50, right? When we scroll down, you'll see that Vanguard, then a year and a half ago, had about 18 million shares, and today they have 23 million. Blackrock had 16.5 million shares. So this is proof that literally whales, millionaires, billionaires, trillionaires are accumulating SPCE, and they're not giving up, okay? So before you think about selling, before you think about giving up on Virgin Galactic, just remember that literally BlackRock and big money managers are literally accumulating Virgin Galactic SPCE.